Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's often a little tricky for some, preparing a Quebec return using TaxTron. Whether you're filing your own taxes or helping someone else, we'll walk through the entire process step by step. So let's get started. Before we dive into the actual preparation, it's important to understand that Quebec operates separately from the federal tax system. In Quebec, you'll need to file two tax returns, one for the federal government using the T1 General and one for the Revenu Québec using the TP1 return. In Quebec, most income types are similar to federal returns, but there are specific forms for employment, self-employment, and investment income. For example, if you earned employment income, you'll need your RL1 slip in addition to the T4. Don't worry, TaxTron automatically matches the amounts from your RL1 to the correct sections on your TP1. Now comes the fun part, deductions and credits. Quebec offers some unique tax credits, like the Quebec abatement, which offsets part of your federal taxes, and the Solidarity Tax Credit for lower income households. Make sure to enter all your relevant information, such as rent payments or childcare expenses. There are a few things to watch out for, though. For example, if you worked in Quebec but lived in another province like Ontario, you'll need to declare income earned in Quebec, but some tax rules will differ. We have a separate video on this, so be sure to check that out. Let's start preparing the Quebec tax return on TaxTron Web. To start, log into your TaxTron web account. On the main dashboard, select the option to create a new return. Make sure you choose Quebec as your province of residence at the start. This is crucial for generating the correct forms. Now enter your basic information, name, social insurance number, date of birth, and enter the marital status. And as this is a Quebec return, you also have to select the gender and how you paid for drug insurance. For this example, we will select paid by group insurance. Complete the address, and then complete the rest of the page as shown in the video and click Next. Go to your income page, where you can answer the question, did you work in 2013? Click the T4 and RL1 form and click Next. Let's start with the T4. Remember to make sure to set the province of employment to Quebec. This is key to ensuring that the correct rules are applied for the Quebec taxes. In box 14, I'll enter the total employment income, which in this case is $15,603.95. In box 17, I'll enter the QPP, the Quebec Pension Plan, with contributions of $831.84. In box 22, we have the federal income tax deducted, which is $730.62. I'll add the total income in box 26, which matches box 14 at $15,603.95. In box 55, we'll enter the PPIP, Quebec Parental Insurance Plan premiums, which amount to $77.10. As we scroll down, there are two important questions you'll need to answer. First, we will answer if you have received a Quebec Relevé 1 for this income. As for Quebec, for the federal tax slips like T4, T4A, and T4OAS, etc., you will always receive corresponding relevés. So, for the T4, if you receive correspond RL1, then answer this first question. If you scroll down a bit, you can see that most of the T4 slip is autofilled from the T4, but there are some boxes that you need to complete, like box E, which is Quebec tax deducted. Once you complete your return, you can download a client copy. And there you go. That's how you file a Quebec return. We have other videos on filing taxes in Quebec, so definitely check those out. If not, leave your questions down below in the comments and leave a like if you enjoyed. All the best!